Hey guys, it's Idir at Triumph West London, home of Trackside Builds. Now, you're joining us in the workshop with a Speed Twin 1200. So Tom, a friendly face of the channel, gave himself a challenge. Take a Speed Twin from stock, get it built, make it look awesome for a very low budget. But this should hopefully show you what you can do to a Speed Twin and not have to blow the roof on expenses. Now, we'll talk you through what we've done. Also, this has all been done in 7 days. Right, so running through the bike, we'll start with all the powder coated parts. Now, you've got the headlight brackets at the front mudguard, rear mudguard and heel guards. At the back end, there's a lot more going on. You've got a Motone seat, you've got the YSS piggyback shocks, which took most of the budget, but they're worth it, and the Motone exhaust, which sound awesome, and we'll get this thing out in a jiffy and get it started. Back to the front end again. Now, notice with the handlebars, the mirrors have been flipped down to kind of give it that low down look. You've also got the Motone clock covers, and lastly, the fuel cap. So as you can see, it's a simplistic build, but hopefully this gives you an insight on what you can do to a modern classic to make it look as cool as can be. Right, I've got the key in my hands. Let's get this bike outdoors so we can get it fired up and hear what the Motone sound like. So there you have it guys, the Speed Twin 1200 sounds absolutely awesome. Exhaust provided by Motone, and a few of the accessories on here are Motone. Now again, I've probably said this in the previous video, big shout out to the Motone guys. They make some good stuff, well designed, very reliable, and always is a pleasure to work on. Now this one has been snapped up pretty quickly. We don't tend to have these tracksides hanging around long at all. So Gwyn, if you're watching this, enjoy the bike. What a pleasure to own. If you do want a bike like this, just give us a call here at Triumph West London. Just ask for the guys here at Trackside Builds. We'll put our heads together, put your heads together, and come up with something really cool. Now remember, like and subscribe the video if you think we've done well enough. And any questions, just chuck them down in the comments, and look forward to hearing from you.